Generative AI isn't just a trend, it's a game changer. By combining machine learning and automation, generative AI tools are helping construction professionals design smarter, build faster, and work safer. For construction educators, it's essential to understand how these tools work and how to prepare students to use them effectively in the field. Let's start with design. Generative AI tools like Autodesk Generative Design and Spacemaker AI allow architects and engineers to input project constraints such as materials, budget, and environmental factors. The AI then generates multiple optimized designs to choose from. These tools save time and reduce waste, giving construction professionals a head start on any project. As educators, teaching students how to use these platforms is critical for staying competitive. Project management is another area where AI is making waves. Tools like Buildots and ALICE Technologies analyze data from construction sites to predict delays, optimize resources, and ensure everything runs smoothly. By incorporating these tools into your curriculum, you'll equip students to handle complex projects more efficiently and with fewer mistakes. Safety is a top priority in construction, and AI tools like smartvid.io are helping reduce accidents. By analyzing site footage, these tools can identify risks like missing protective gear or unsafe conditions, giving supervisors real-time alerts. Training students to work with these systems ensures they'll prioritize safety while embracing cutting-edge technology. Robotics and 3D printing are reshaping how we physically build structures. 3D printers like Apiscore create entire homes in days instead of months. Teaching students about these tools prepares them for a future where automation works hand-in-hand with human craftsmanship. Generative AI isn't just for construction sites, it's also a powerful administrative tool. Platforms like ChatGPT can write project proposals, generate progress reports, and even create customized lesson plans for your classroom. By incorporating these tools, educators can streamline their own work while teaching students how to handle real-world scenarios. Generative AI is transforming construction into a smarter, faster, and safer industry. As educators, you have the power to prepare the next generation to thrive in this AI-driven world. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with your fellow instructors. And let us know in the comments, what AI tools are you most excited to introduce in your classroom? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.